Hey, it's your girl Yo-Yo from the Yo-Yo Diet Show, and welcome back to my channel. The Diet of the Yo-Yo Diet Show is not food you eat, but food for thought so that you can stay in control. This is not a fat weight loss channel. This is a dead weight loss channel. So if you have any dead weight that you need to get rid of, I need you to put it in the curb, in the rubbish pile, for garbage pickup. On Sundays, I give you tools, tips, and tricks in order to assemble your YouTube channel so it can be the perfect one. Today, we're going to talk about three things. Playlists, the whats, the hows, the whys. Number 2, how can you support a YouTuber? Number 3, impressions and the dreaded click-through rate. This is going to be a 2-part series. That's right, so we don't have to work so hard this time. We're just going to go through the basics of each of the 3 points that I just mentioned. But next week, it's going to be for the advanced. So what is a playlist? A playlist is a group of videos that plays in order, one after the other. So when one video finishes, the next video plays automatically without searching for it and without clicking play. Playlists are usually, not always, grouped in clusters of subjects or topics. So let's say you do a few things on your channel. You do hauls, you do makeup tutorials, you fix cars, you fix air conditioners. Well, so that your viewer can find the content that they like the most, then you would put those videos in the topic or the subject at hand. That's right. I might not want to watch makeup tutorials. I might need to see how to fix my air conditioner. And so I would just click on your playlist that says how to fix various air conditioners. And voila! I don't have to fiddle around in there. So when you are creating your playlist, please name your playlist accordingly. Never ever name your playlist uploads. All my videos, 6 of my videos that I like to see. You need to name your videos according to what they are. Cluster all of those videos in one topic and make a great title for them. Also, don't ever make content and make a playlist all at the same time, because it will confuse YouTube and they won't even promote either one of your videos or playlists. They don't understand what you're doing. Everything that I'm telling you now will be in the description below for your reference material. Everything that I learned, I teach, and everything that I teach, I've learned. You want to learn how to make a playlist? Do you? Let's shall we?
First, you're going to go and make sure that you are at your channel. So you click on your face and you drop down to your channel. Once you get to your channel, then you're going to see something that's called Customize Channel. Click onto that. Then wait for a long time because you have a crappy computer. Then you're going to see something that says playlist. Click onto that. Wait again for your crappy computer. Now you're going to see your playlist. And you wait for your crappy computer to show what your playlists are. Now, as you see here, I have Master Your Emotions, and I also have The Truth. I have no idea why I named it The Truth. Right here is my liked videos. As you can see, I have over 5,000 liked videos. But I want to show you where it says created playlist, and then it says new playlist. Next week, we are going to go through step by step how to create a new playlist. But right now, let's look into Master Your Emotions. So right now we're on the Master Your Emotions playlist. The Secrets and Rules of YouTube. Win the Battle of Depression. Use your intuition. See the red flags. Okay, so this Secrets and Rules to YouTube 101 shouldn't be in Mastering Your Emotions. And you see, you can like put it in the trash can. That does not delete your video though. It just deletes your video out of your Master the Emotions playlist. As I learn, you learn. When I earn, you'll earn.
Now that we know what a playlist is, why we should have a playlist, why we should name our playlist accordingly to the topics, and where we can create a playlist, next week I will go into depth and show you exactly how to create your playlist and what you should name your playlist. How do you support your YouTuber? That's right, I want to ask you that question. How do you support your content creators? So, you went onto YouTube. You were looking up some information as to how to cook a turkey. You saw ads, and you immediately, after 1, 2, 3, clicked skip ad. Don't do it! If someone has provided you a great service, let's say the beauty salon, let's say your mechanic, what do? You give them a tip, right? That is the way that you can support your YouTuber or your content creator. If there's something that you're watching on YouTube and you see an ad, by watching that ad, you're putting coin in that content creator's tip jar. If that content creator does not have an ad, go and make yourself a channel so that you can like. That's right, you can thumbs up that content creator. And in that way, that tells YouTube that they've done a good job and they can keep promoting that video. If you would like to go further, you can make a channel not to upload videos. Maybe you don't want to be a content creator, but you want to support those that give you good content because you keep going on YouTube. If you go on to YouTube at least once or twice a week, it's probably best for you to get a channel and just support your content creators, everything that you like to see, so that you'll be able to comment, like, and even subscribe to their channel. So let's talk about impressions. Impressions, you say, what's an impression? Well, I'm not talking about impressions like impersonations. I'm not talking about like impersonating Lil Jon. Okay, snap your finger, do the stare. You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Hey! See, I'm not talking about that type of impression. Not talking about impersonations. I'm talking about impressions on YouTube. So let's talk about it. What is an impression? Well, once your YouTube video is uploaded and published, YouTube starts showing it to different viewers that might like your content, depending on what their behavior is on YouTube. And when they see your thumbnail, they click on it. That is called an impression. So I want you to think of an impression as being a possible reach and a possible view. So you must make sure your thumbnails are relevant to your topic. Don't bait and switch. Don't say that you're doing a mukbang and then I click on there and you're doing a Dollar Tree haul. Don't do that. I can't stand it. So your thumbnail has to be shown for 1 second and 50% has to be visible to the viewer. If that viewer clicks on your thumbnail, then that is counted as a view. But if they click on the title, that's not counted as an impression. It's a view, but it's not counted as an impression. Notifications and traffic from external websites and your end screens, they're not counted as impressions. So as soon as you upload your content, you're going to see a spike in impressions. That's just normal. And then you're going to see a decline in impressions as your video ages. So what is a click-through rate? It is when a viewer clicks on your thumbnail, and the click-through rate measures how often that viewer watches your video after it sees your thumbnail. Really important as a YouTuber for you to understand all of the analytics to your channel. It can make or break you. There are several tools that we can use in order to help us with analyzing our channel. vidIQ, YouTube Buddy, and Social Blade. I use YouTube Buddy. I hope this has all been beneficial. I just wanted to cover the basics today. Next week, we're going to be more advanced in talking about playlists, how to support a YouTuber, and impressions and click-through rates. Next week, I'm going to show you step by step. We're going to create a playlist together. I had some things on my playlist that needs to go into another playlist. That's right. So as I learn, you learn. As I earn, you earn. What is today? Sunday. And on Sunday, I always give shout outs to all of the wonderful channels that support me. If you are a small YouTuber, I don't care what kind of YouTuber you are, and you're looking for support, you're looking for really good, genuine support, people that's going to watch your videos, people that's just going to love you, I just call to say I love you. See, that kind of thing. If you're looking for that, then you need to be watching all of my loyal supporters right after this video. So as I usually say, thank you for watching. Thank you for all of my supporters, and roll that Supporters Hall of Fame.